Richmond Ready makes a family-owned and operated business located in Staten Island, New York. We service Staten Island, Brooklyn, and New Jersey. We started out as a mom and pop company, and we always wanted to keep that mom and pop feel to our customers as we grew in the years. And we cater to the guy who orders 1 yard to the guy who orders 500 yards the same way.
On average day for us is anywhere between 300 to 500 yards, but there's days when it exceeded 1,700 yards in a day. Having those trucks run at all times and being durable and reliable means everything.
You know, New York is a different spec of truck than anywhere else. You just want to have the most of everything, and Contact brings that to you with a 12-yard drum, a 300-gallon overhead water tank.
300 gallons that you need on the job, coming out of dry batch plant especially. Although the loads have a 90-minute expiration, and it might take you half that time to get to the job site, most of the mixing happens on site because you don't know how the contractor is taking the concrete. You can start off a 1-inch slump, by the time you end the pour, you got a 7-inch slump. So it gives us a vote of confidence.
You're driving around with 12 yards of concrete on roads that are not the best in the United States. You know, there's craters in the road here, so that truck takes a beating every day.
As a matter of fact, a lot of companies would never have a front loader being in the urban setting. You're better off with a compact contact mixer. You can navigate through the narrow alleyways to deliver concrete, the back alley and the back of the street, through the neighbor's fence. So I find it very, very helpful that they're very compact. I mean, the guys don't complain about anything as far as contact mixers. What I find mixer friendly, for instance, the wireless options as a driver, to me, like I said, it's a plus. It makes my job a lot easier. And having contact mixers with those slotted pins makes it a lot easier for the consistent concrete. From the transition box in the front to the back is color coded. It's a lot easier. If there's an issue, you can get right down to the line that's giving you the issue. I mean, the truck does everything it's supposed to be doing.
Contact from day one has always been there. The most important thing is the service that we get from them. So when something breaks and you could get a part by the next day delivered to you, that's the thing of doing business with family-owned businesses. They care about their name and they care about their product. Contact definitely hits all the safety features and the little extras that they do. You know, we're working on highways where the highway's not shut, and you know, anything could happen at any given time. And I feel comfortable that my men are out there with the most safest equipment that they could have. My favorite memory of Richmond Ready Mix is whenever I call to order a new truck, the whole place in Minnesota wants to know, what is that water tank gonna say? What is that truck gonna say on the side? It's the knowing that I'm gonna call and I'm gonna hear, well, Joe, you know, we're coming up to the end of the truck here, and it's the biggest secret. So we dedicated some trucks that God bless America, you know, to honor our country, that we're able to go to work like this every day. And so recently we had a situation where we lost a family member of our company. We called Contact to make the memorial truck for him, and Contact did exactly what we needed to be done. Totally incredible. I don't think any other company could have did that for us in that amount of time. You know, we've come a long way, and things out here have come a long way. So it's always an adventure every day. It's the concrete circus. Give Contact a try, because I can guarantee you, like I was happy.